So spring of 2024, I was making a quick run to the post office. Whole trip should have lasted maybe 20 minutes. It was right down the road from my house. As I was waiting to make a left turn into the post office, the vehicle behind me accelerated into the back of my car. I was immediately injured. I didn't know the extent of my injuries. I did later find out I have both permanent and impermanent injuries. I was a student at the time. I was working part-time. I'd never been in an accident. This was my first accident. And I was overwhelmed. I had no clue what to do next. I was hurt. I was afraid. A friend referred me to Rome and Austin, and I was very quickly partnered with Miles. I thought this process was going to be a years-long battle, and Miles very quickly put a lot of my fears to rest. From the jump, he explained what I need to expect. Without it being overwhelming, at every point in our case, they kept me updated. They communicated with me in a timely manner. There was no point in which I was left wondering. I was always informed, including in an instance in which the insurance company tried to do something very shady. And Miles was a fierce advocate. He was never afraid of the insurance company. He knew what was right. He knew what was owed and what I deserved. And even after everything was said and done, they still found a way to serve me and found a way to advocate for me and do something for me that went beyond what I could have expected. I feel like everyone that I've worked with here acts with integrity and acts ethically, and that's so important when somebody's handling something as delicate as this, and I'm very grateful. I hope that I never need their services again, but if it comes to that, I'm absolutely coming back to Rome and Austin, and I hope that nobody else ever needs their services, but realistically, many of us come to it at some point. So I think if you do need somebody to fight for you, Miles, Rome and Austin, I would 100% recommend. Absolutely.